Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In our today's lecture, we will study English. We were studying Unit 3, A Scientist Comes to School. Today, we will read the poem. That is on page number 27. Take out your books and open up page number 27. The name of this poem is Colors Around Us. Colors Around Us. Let's start reading. Allah made the world so bright. Allah made the world so bright. I love to see the snow so white. Allah made the world so bright. I love to see the snow so white. In these two sentences, they are explaining that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made our world very bright and very colorful. In this poem, we will study the different colors that are in the environment that are around us. So in the first two sentences, they are explaining that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made our world so bright. I love to see the color of snow that is pure white. I love to see the snow so white. The grass so green, so blue the sea. The sky so fine, that's above me. What is the next color? The grass so green. What is the color of the grass? Yes, it's a very bright green color. The color of the grass is green. The grass so green, so blue the sea. And the sea is blue. The sky so fine, that's above me. The grass so green, so blue the sea. The sky is so fine, that's above me. The sky is above us. The sky is above us. And the sky is so fine and smooth. The sky is so fine. And the sky is also of blue colors. So pretty are the flowers, red and white, pink and purple. What a lovely sight. In these two sentences, they are describing the colors of flowers. The color of flowers is so pretty. The flowers are red, the flowers are white, and this is a beautiful sight. Sight means view. Sight means view. Allah made the world so bright. I love to see the snow so white. The grass so green, so blue the sea. The sky so fine, that's above me. So pretty are the flowers, red and white, pink and purple. What a lovely sight. The grey clouds bring good news of rain. The grey clouds bring good news of rain. And orange brown leaves say it's autumn again. The grey clouds bring the good news. They bring the good news that it will rain. So the grey clouds bring good news of rain. And the orange brown leaves, they are saying that it will be autumn again. The grey clouds bring good news of rain, and orange brown leaves say it's autumn again. The many colors under the sun truly make my life so colorful and fun. Thus, there are many colors that are under the sun. There are many colors in our environment, in our surroundings, the colors that are around us. So, they make my life so colorful and fun. They make my life so colorful and fun. Now, note down your homework. Read page number 27. And here we have completed Unit 3, A Scientist Comes to School.